In a world grappling with the environmental challenges of mattress disposal, there's a groundbreaking solution on the horizon. Our vision: revolutionary hot melt adhesives, partially crafted from recycled mattress pocket coil material, tackling the challenges of mattress recycling head-on. More than just a hot melt adhesive, it's a sustainable answer, supporting both mattress recycling and the mattress recycling community. When it comes to recycling polypropylene fabric from pocket springs, adhesives are sometimes considered to be part of the challenge. But what if the adhesive becomes part of the solution? We've worked on a revolutionary process that allows us to use recycled pocket coil fabric in our hot melt adhesive formulations for mattress assembly. Through our proprietary method, we'll reuse spun-bond polypropylene material from recycled mattresses, process it, and seamlessly integrate it back into our hot melt formulations. This means that every pound of SABA melt produced will include a small part of a recycled mattress, supporting circularity within the industry. Our vision is to integrate recycled content into all our SABA melt products, whether for mattress assembly or pocket coil production. It may not happen overnight, but long-term, the impact on mattress recycling can be massive and widespread. Join us in our journey of revolutionizing recycling with SABA Melt, a product born from innovation, designed for sustainability. Together, let's make a lasting impact for the future of sustainable foam bonding.